There's a blade in the back?
There is a blade in the back. The blade is designed to move between 500 to 1,000 tubes.
How did that turn into this?
We have a lever over here. It's open the lips. You insert the tube, and actually you open the tube and you're ready to work. It will never go out unless you press the clutch once more and take it really easy outside. When we use the product, it's completely dripless. After we load it, we are making a bead, stop pushing, and the material stop getting out. Because there is no road from behind, we can just cut the excess from behind and get a really, really small device, small tool.
To get in this narrow areas.
Narrow areas. We call it behind the toilet area. Press the clutch, push it from behind, and take it out really easy.